ZANU-PF insiders said Chiwenga also came under attack from ZANU-PF national chairperson Oppah Muchinguri, who told him they all went to war and their paths split at independence when he became a soldier and they went into government. As Pere Moshe, VP Constantino Chiwenga is now under attack from all the dimensions of the Ugandans. Chiwenga is under threat. Panguva ine tikuona kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga, vana Ziyambi vari kuatira zvavo, vana Muchinguri zvavo, all of them they are attacking VP Constantino Chiwenga. Sarabira mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino hatikuona kuti they want to discredit VP Constantino Chiwenga vachizama kuti zidosiya yakareleasa on 17 September inzi aiwa ndiye manyepo and panguva ino iri fraud. Subscribe like on the bell icon. Chiwenga achima accused kunzi ada kukonzeresa coup. Panapa munhu wamudanira chiti Muchinguri Zim life head told Chiwenga, a retired commander of Zimbabwe Defense Forces, that there was nothing special about coming from the barracks. ZANU-PF Legal Secretary PANECHAMISA reportedly told the Vice President that his criticism of the Land Tenure Implementation Committee, led by Tagore, ignored the fact that the President owns all land. Chiwenga, it is understood, spoke briefly. He reportedly said, "I've listened to all your presentations and I'm convinced that all of you support Uganda. It's okay, I acknowledge it." The room reportedly fell silent. ZANU-PF insiders say the two documents have deepened factional rifts at the top of the ruling party, which gathers in Mutare this week for its annual conference. Tuesday's Politburo meeting at the party headquarters in Harare was followed by a central committee meeting on Wednesday. The Chiwenga dossier was reportedly supported by several retired generals and some members of the Women's League, while mnangagwaZim ensured the counter document was adopted without debate. Ndomashoko ari kubuda muZimbabwe, Chiwenga achipindura zvakananda achivaudza kuti zvabuda pachena kuti mese muri murumu muno muri kusapota zvakananda. Ndazvinzwa. We do not know Chiwenga's next move. MuZimbabwe kuchachemwa. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Ava pina comment section medu za mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.